Hi, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed a navigation backup camera in a 2017 Ford Mustang. Brand new car. Car came with a small size of the screen. We replaced it to the 8-inch screen, same as the factory look. So I just start the car. So everything same as the original logo, and the menu of the unit is basically based on Sync 2, so we designed it as Sync 2. It's the exact same thing. You can see we have the radio, CD, MP3 player, video. The video can play through HDMI and USB. That's the navigation. Also backup camera with the dynamic guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.